Okay, kids, Ham and Cheese back here with you again today, and just a short video today, show you what we're working on right now on the bench. What we have up here is a Juliette 16 transistor radio. This one's a weird one. Aside from being 16 transistor, which is heavily inflated like it is on most of these things, this one features a thumb wheel, you can see right there, and then a dowel cord would wrap around this and come down around here like so, come up over a couple turns, and then the thumb wheel would activate that way. And then this would be the side where this little guy would sit right here so you could read your dial. That gives you an idea. Okay. What's also unique about it is I can't find any information on this thing anywhere. Okay. Right now, this particular unit is stone dead. It is in bad shape. I think it was dropped. You can see the ferrite bar is completely broken off. It is attached still by the wires, but it is broken. And you look at that board there, you can see the board's been up pretty good as well. So, and plus it's got a couple of broken components. There's at least one disc capacitor I found that was bad on it already. But it's absolutely stone dead. I have attempted to find information on it. The only markings that I can find outside of 16 transistor is right there, this CT 1601-610. And I have searched that under the Juliette brand. I have searched it under the Top brand, TOPP, which is who produced these. If you can see it right there, Top, TOPP. And I also searched it under the Kensington brand, and I can't find it. So I have no idea if this was a short producer, if this is some type of unicorn or whatever it may be. I've never seen a transistor radio with a thumb dial like this on it before, and I've never ever seen a transistor radio that has a tuning dial cord like that. So very, very different type of radio here. So, but that's what we're working on right now, and hopefully we'll get the video made out here in detail for it and bring it to you in length. But for now, we continue to search to find one to compare it to. If you have one, or you know somebody that has one of these, please drop it in the comments or send me the link of where you can find this, because I've been all over the internet looking and I can't find anything. I've been in the multiple groups with it on Facebook and some other social media platforms, and nobody has ever seen one of these as far as I can tell. So there it is. Like I said, Juliette 16 transistor radio. It's in very terrible shape, but we're going to try to resurrect it and make something happen. All right, kids. Thanks for watching. 7-3.